Bienvenidos, welcome to the last video of the Star Wars week here in Free My Wheels. Yes, look at that, so beautiful, so beautiful. All these diecast models all opened and freed and breathing fresh air. Yes, yes. So we're gonna do the last video. Thank you for tuning in once again. We are in the final video of the unboxing versions, in the unboxing theme. The last video we did was these three beauties. Please go check it out. Links in the descriptions and maybe in the eye above, right over her. So thank you for checking that out, and let's go with the next three, or last three, that we're gonna unbox today. So there it is, the last three of this week of these series videos. My last Star Wars. I don't have nothing more. I don't think so, but I'll check. So these are the last three. We're gonna do the light. We're gonna do the X-Wing, Pose X-Wing. We got the Millennium Falcon, and we got Rey's Speeder. And these are all from The Force Awakens. So I'm gonna start with the Speeder, with Rey. So and like I said in the videos before, I have not seen these movies, the new ones, the new Star Wars movies, and I'm failing there. That's my bad. Not that I don't want to. It's that there is. Oh, what is that? Why is that like that? Oh, okay, I see. It was just like a small clear rubber band that holds the piece in. So there it is. There's Rey on her speeder. Can't tell her face that well, but there she is. And her little cargo on the side. It's a very cool detail. Yeah, this is very cool. I like this one. I like this. Looks very cool. Oh, Rey Speeder on the little stand. Very, very cool. Now, which one's next? Now, we're gonna leave the Millennium Falcon for last because that's my favorite. Of course, everyone's favorite. This is another one that I very, very wanted to open. So there is Pose X-Wing. Awesome. Black with orange or brownish orange. Very cool. Nice details. Also metal. This whole point is metal, and these blasters are plastic. The X-Wing. Very cool. Now, Millennium Falcon. Yes, let's do it. Now, this was a big deal because I got a couple of these Millennium Falcons for my boys, my Star Wars buddies. Oh, come on. Now, I've seen plain with no plain gray Millennium Falcons with no details. This one has the markings and all. Like I said, I don't know much about that, the details on that, but if you have any information that you can share with me and everyone else, please leave it in the comments below. Would be very, very appreciated. Nice Millennium Falcon. Oh, feels so cool. Now let's put it on the stand. Oh, very nice, very nice. Now I wish I had like a big display and a big like area where I can put them on, but for now it got to do it. This is gonna change. I'm gonna remove some of this stuff and put up some Star Wars. Yeah, because look at these. Come on, you have to have these on display somewhere, not in a box, not put away. Well, you can if you want. That's your choice. I ain't gonna do nothing about that. That's your choice. But damn, it feels so good to have them out in the open. You can play with it. You're having too much fun here. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in this whole week of Star Wars. And if you don't like it, thank you for at least watching the videos. And yeah, tune in to next time. We're gonna have more unboxings, more diecast to show and to collect. And we might even collaborate with some friends, some collector friends, and they're gonna show us or unbox some stuff for us. So very cool. I hope you all have a wonderful collecting journey. Yeah, and have fun with it. Peace. Adios. Gracias. Bye.